It's Max Iceman and Eagle Boy 19 Rocks. We're shooting the paintball gun and it's epic. We have 20-ounce CO2 and we got our little target down there. I don't think you can see, but that little piece of paper.
And we'll show you after it.
There. I blew it to shreds a few times, just to let you know.
Yeah.
And so did he. Let's take a shot. It's down. Hey! Gun down. Dude, what about me? I'm up. Stop.
Dude, there's a lot of rounds left. Okay, now it's about halfway.
Eagle Boy is going to be taking this in a minute. Yeah, dude. And here, Max the Iceman comes. Should I do my trigger finger?
Yeah.
Watch this.
Just for the rest of the whole rounds.
This is my trigger finger.
Just go. Just use the rest of your rounds.
Oh, we gotta get it.
Use the rest of the rounds on it. Shoot it really fast, dude.
Watch this range.
I don't know if you can see that, but it went to like the edge of
Now
those
watch this range.
That's out.
We're out.
Okay.
That was fun. So,
Yeah, definitely fun.
$100 gun.
Get it at Dick's Sporting Goods.
Yeah.
Highly recommend it.
Maybe I highly recommend 20
ounces?
20 ounce.
It comes with a 9 ounce, but don't take it.
Yeah.
Like seriously.
Well, yeah, take it and then buy a 20 ounce with it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I say it's worth it.
Yep. Worth $100. Let's go check the target.
Well, not yet, but. See my shooting.
Holy crap.
I obliterated it. Is it living?
Oh.
I don't think I ripped its face off.
I think it's dead. See you guys later.